Hello my YouTube family, I am sure you have seen this viral burning gift box. Let's see how we can make it. First, you will need a box. If you already have one, great. If not, you can make one yourself. So, take the box, tissue paper, matchbox, masking tape, cutter or scissors, and any kind of paper you have. Take the box and cut the top part, leaving a little space on the sides. You can use a glue gun or Fevicol glue to secure the box properly. Cover the cut area with masking tape to make it look smooth. Apply gesso or white acrylic color to the box. It's completely optional, so it's fine if you skip it. Now, let the box dry. So now, let's make some cards. You can make cards for any occasion, such as birthday cards, New Year wish cards, Christmas cards, and whatever you like. To make the box look pretty and aesthetic, I am adding washi tape on the top. You can also use acrylic colors, markers, or any other accessories for decoration. Place the card inside the box. Then cover the cut area with the tissue paper from inside and secure it with glue or masking tape. The box is almost ready. Finally, attach this neatly at the back of the box. And that's it. The unique gift box is ready. Just look at this and enjoy. If you give such a unique and cute gift box to someone you care about, they will definitely love it. Do you like it? Let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel Art and Craft by Mahfooza. See you in the next video. Until then, stay creative and stay well. Thank you.